Hey, what's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Lad with the best credit repair channel, and today we're going to be talking about a great credit building product. You see it, it's called Ava. It gives you two levels of credit building products that you can use to build your credit, and we're going to talk about both of them in a credit card, which it actually is a virtual credit card, and a savings credit builder loan. And we're going to talk about both of these credit building products. But first, we're going to say thank you for all my new subscribers coming out to the channel. I always got to give thanks and homage to all my new subscribers coming out and subscribing to the channel. When you subscribe, you're telling me that you'll believe enough into me to bring you some continual good content. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue to bring you good content. So I appreciate y'all for coming. I appreciate for y'all subscribing. Please like these videos. You know the deal. It just lets YouTube pass them out. I'm doing the homework for you. I'm doing the work. I'm doing all. The least you can do to pay me back is to say, all right, I like it. I'm going to give you thumbs up. Leave me a comment. It's all appreciation. Again, good things come to good people, right? Knowing that somebody's trying to bring you good information, bring you some, just say, hey, you know what? I'm going to kick it back to you and I'm going to give you a thumbs up, my brother. And the same thing we should be doing for many people on YouTube that we listen to. We should be giving this opportunity. Social media has given us an opportunity to spread good information. Let's take advantage of it and give back a little bit. Sometimes giving back is free. Don't cost you nothing. It's not much effort in it. It's just saying, hey, let me give this person let me give this person some appreciation for what he's doing and the information he's providing. And that's it. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. Now, you know the deal. I almost tell you credit is so important. We definitely should be making sure we're getting on our credit and building our credit. Again, you're going to hear me tell you this all the time. It is the access to money. And if you don't have the access to money, how can you build your wealth? How could you invest anything if you don't have money to invest? We have to live, so we have to work and live. But do we have to do that? Can we build our wealth, get our own business, and have our own? It's something that my wife always tell me, I'd rather have my own headache than somebody else's headache. So when you own your own business, it may be a headache, but that's your headache. But when you go to a job, you dealing with somebody else's headache that's going to make it your headache. So building your wealth allows you to step out of that realm, create your own avenue to building wealth. If you're going to have that headache, have your own headache, because you're building something powerful, something great that you could pass on from generation to generation. So it's a little bit of preaching on a Sunday here in Texas. So I just wanted to get that out to y'all. But let's get into this credit building product. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the thumbs up. So today we're going to be talking about this credit builder called Ava. Helps you build your credit while saving automatically. So what's so build? It's an interest free, right? It's interest free, instant approval, high credit limit, and dealing with for lower your credit utilization. Well, what they mean when they say lower your credit utilization. The great thing about this card is that you're going to get a $2,500 credit limit that is used for subscriptions, only for subscriptions. And why is that so great? It's because you can only spend $25 a month on subscriptions. So all that extra utilization is going to keep your scores low. So you may ask, well, what subscriptions can I use it for? What do they limit? It is tons of them. Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, Apple Music, Pandora, PlayStation Plus, Sirius XM Radio, Xbox Live, 24-hour fitness, Amazon Kid, Amazon Prime, Walmart Plus subscription, Hulu, ESPN, HBO Max, Apple TV, Amazon Ring, Cox Communications, Spectrum, T-Mobile, Sprint, Xfinity, and more. So these are subscriptions that you could apply for with this card on a monthly subscription and then be able to pay no more than $25. So just think about it. You're only paying $25 on this card a month on your subscription that is maxed out at 25, and you got a $2,500 credit limit. And then the next product is an installment loan or a savings builder account that you can start for as little as $21 a month for 12 months. And they charge zero interest. So after the 12 months, you get all that money back. They're not charging you. Some of the other installment loans that do credit building, they're going to take some interest out on that loan at the end. Ava's not taking anything out. That is what makes it so great. So as we look, if you go, we're going to go into the subscriptions. Man, there are a ton of subscriptions that you can do that I went over. Ton of subscriptions that you could apply for with this card. So that's a great card. I think this is one of the best credit builder items for somebody because it limits you on what you can do so you don't, because some people have spending habits. They get something and they don't, their intention is not to do it, but then they do it because they have the ability to do it. The great thing about Ava is it's going to take those urges and strip them back and say, we're not going to allow you to do that because we really want this to be a credit builder item. I've seen people with some credit builder items that have turned into a bad credit item on their credit report. And that's what you don't want to do. You don't want to get into trying to build your credit and use a credit builder item and you turn around and turn it into a negative item on your credit report. You defeated the purpose and you have to change the behavior. The behavior when you're dealing with credit is what is killing you. Once you change that behavior, understand how great and how much money you'll end up having in your credit, in your pockets based on your credit because you have a very good credit report. So there are many things that you could do to improve yourself with this credit. It's the if you look at it, it's the credit builder card. It looks just like the Apple card when you look at it. It looks like the Apple card, tells you what your spending power is, what your monthly payment is, and it reports to all three credit bureaus and it allows you to keep that utilization low. Then you got your savings account that show that you're saving and building your credit that's going to report as an installment loan. And look, all savings after completion plan, it's all yours, zero interest, right? Then you're going to have credit monitoring where you can monitor your credit weekly, monthly, just to see what changes have happened to your credit based on you building your credit, right? And then because what also makes it so great is as your credit improves and they automatically will go out and look for credit to help you lower your interest rate. Look at that. Get a personal loan to pay down your credit cards. Credit card debt is a ripoff. We all know that. Get a personal loan through one of our partners. Instant decision, no gimmicks. With the higher credit score, thanks to Ava, you may qualify for a loan you never thought possible, right? And they continue savings monitor. Save money with the AI assistance. Automatically look at lowering interest rate and monthly payments for you. Financing existing debt or get the best deal without any work, right? So this card is a great card. I think the people who thought of this did a very good job really putting it together and really putting a credit building product together. Come on, people. We have to work on getting our credit straight. Too many people are frustrated on where they're living or they can't buy a home. They're paying high interest on a car. You got these predatory lenders out here charging people 12%, 15%, 18% on a car, a $20,000 car. After 20,000, you bought a car for 20 to 18%, you'd probably pay almost 40%. $40,000 on that car. And when you try to trade it in, because the amount of money you owe, you're so far upside down, that's what make it difficult for you to elevate, to advance, and buy a better car, because you're so upside down, because the interest rate is killing you. So we have to make better decisions. We have to look at what we're doing with our credit, and we have to improve our credit. And I'm here to help you with all that. So all this stuff, again, it's in my master dispute package. Anytime I find stuff, I put it in my master dispute package. If you want to know, if you got any questions about your credit, shoot me an email. It's in the description. If you want my master dispute package, shoot me an email. Go to my website. It's in the description. If you want a free credit analysis, Larry's here to help you. I will go over your credit report with you. If you need somebody to work on your credit that understands how to dispute items, not somebody just repeating something they heard from another YouTube channel and then they figure out, oh, I could do this, I could help somebody. No, but understand how to dispute, understand how to fix your credit, understand how to build your credit, show you how to leverage your credit. If you want to know all that, you got somebody who's honest, sincere, and going to keep it real with you. So this is Larry with the best credit repair channel. Hopefully this credit builder item will fit and be best for you to help you build your credit. Please like, subscribe, and share the channel. I really appreciate all y'all, and I'm gonna continue, like I said, bringing y'all some stuff that y'all can use to help you build your credit, and that's being well-rounded. But we gotta also get into some of these investment videos, because I want you to grow your money. Want you to grow your money. So that's all I have for today. Hey, keep it real, keep it strong, stay positive, hey, and work on that credit. Get them credit scores up, and I got you. And I'm also out.